we've teamed up with the Fantasy Football Pundits team for Champions League Fantasy this season, which commences on Tuesday the 12th of September and will run alongside the standard FPL game. It's free to play, the rules are simple, and there will be a prize for the winner. To take part, simply enter a team on the official Champions League Fantasy website and join the Fantasy Football Pundits League via the link in the description box below or by entering the league code displayed on screen. Just like FPL, you create a squad of 15 players, consisting of 2 goalkeepers, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders and 3 forwards, and must stick within a budget of 100 million euros. So you'll need to find those cheap enablers to go alongside the likes of Messi and Ronaldo. You can find a full breakdown of the rules on the website links below. The winner of the Fantasy Football Pundits League will receive an official football shirt from the Champions League team of their choice. The league is open now for you to join, so be sure to get your teams in by Tuesday the 12th of September when the first matches take place.